Welcome to our channel. Today we how to reset your Monday.com workspace, beginner guide step by step clearly. To reset your Monday.com workspace, begin by logging into your account. Once logged in, navigate to the workspace you wish to reset. On the top right corner of your screen, find and click on the three-dot menu icon. In the drop-down menu, select Workspace Settings. This will take you to a new page where you can adjust various settings. Scroll down until you find the option labeled Delete Workspace. Click on Delete Workspace to proceed. A confirmation prompt will appear on your screen. Read the warning carefully, as this action cannot be undone. If you are certain you want to remove the workspace, click on the confirmation button. After the workspace has been deleted, you can create a new one. To create a new workspace, return to your Monday.com dashboard. Look for the Add Workspace button and click on it. Enter a name for your new workspace in the provided field. You can also choose a color and an icon for your workspace. After filling in the details, click on Create Workspace. Your new workspace is now set up and ready for use. Begin adding boards and tasks according to your needs. Explore new templates or customize your workspace layout to suit your workflow. Take your time to familiarize yourself with the features available in your new workspace. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.